How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you guys. Today we're gonna do an unboxing, guys. It is my birthday month, so I decided to get myself an early birthday present, because you know you have to appreciate yourself. And so I decided to get myself something, and it will be one of many. So let's open this one up and see what I got. Okay, so guys, this is something that I ordered from Foschini because it was on sale. I'll put the price in the frame so that you can see how much it was. I think it was a 30% or 40% on sale. This is just the receipt I got. Then let's open this baby up. I guess you can see we're getting a hint of what I got, and I got the Thierry Mugler Angel Eau de Toilette, guys, and this is the 40 ml bottle I got. Okay, so let me just get this packages and papers out of the way so that we can appreciate the beautiful box. So this is what the box looked like. This is the top, front, underneath, sides of the box. Let's just open it up. Guys, and I don't know about you, I just love unboxings. Okay, so let me just put that aside as well. Okay, you can see the box is a little bit damaged, but I think it's just the lid of the perfume because it has quite sharp edges, the lid, if I remember correctly. And you will see also this is the round shaped bottle. It's not the star bottle, so it's a round shaped one with a star lid on top. Okay, so guys, let's see what goodies they have inside for us. And you will see this is the Thierry Mugler Eau de Toilette. So I think this is the 2011 version. Okay, so we're having the beautiful little cute envelope with the Thierry Mugler booklet inside. It just has some information on in different languages. You get these in basically all of the Mugler fragrance boxes. And that's what it looks like. Cute little envelope. Okay, so let's put that one aside. See this, the Mugler circle. Okay, and there we have it. This is the bottle, guys. Wow, look at this bottle. It's so gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's just stunning. Guys, I love this bottle more than the star. I think it's just prettier to me, and the fact that it can stand up and it's a little bit more user friendly. I love this bottle. I think it's gorgeous. And this is the lid. It has a nice magnet inside. It's very secure. And I don't know, guys, let me know if the bottle is this light blue or if it's the liquid, but it's just gorgeous. Let's give it a test. Great sprayer. Oh, that's sharp. One in the neck. I'm not wearing any fragrance today, guys. I was waiting for this, so okay. Another one. The rest. Wow, that one was a bit hectic. Oh guys, this is so strong. This is very sharp. This is a very sharp citrus kind of note opening. And I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of tarnish on the lid, but I think it's just the sharp edge of the other section of the silver part of the bottle. When you open and close it, causes the tarnish. Look at that, guys. It's just gorgeous. Wow, and this is very strong. This is to me very much different than this one, the Mugler EDT, the 2019 formulation, which I ordered before. I'll link that video down below to show my first impressions. You can see I only have a little bit left, like I used it. And yeah, this is different. This is sharper, it's more stronger. Let me try and get this. Nothing is coming out, guys. I've used this. Okay, there's a little drop or two. Oh no, it doesn't want to. Okay, there's a little bit coming out, but wow, there's a difference, guys. There is a difference. I would say the Mugler one is a little bit more softer and a little bit more sweeter. I pick up honey and chocolate in that one, and this one is just citrus, sharp, patchouli bomb. I'll have to wait for the dry down to figure out what else is in this one, but I know the notes are a little bit different, but I like it so far. I'll have to get used to that sharp first note. Not my favorite thing in the world, but the bottle is just gorgeous, and if I have to buy a refill, I'll buy a refill of the 2019 one. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching. See you again. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. So see you in the next one. Bye guys.